Do you know how to apply a genuine jobs? Totally free end-to-end placement support and interview support till the candidate joining. I will also explain you how to check our current job openings and where you can find out all the jobs openings in a single page step by step. So don't miss this video. At last, I will share you some important career tips. Hello and welcome to DRG Job Placement Manpower Consultant Hyderabad. We are one of the top manpower recruitment and job placement consultancy in Hyderabad. We work for Pan India. Our clients are in all over India and abroad. We are government approved and very trusted agency in Hyderabad. Okay, let's start the process step by step now. Open your browser and in search box write DRG JPMC Hyderabad. DRG JPMC Hyderabad. Okay, so this is our company interface. You can see our website link on top. And you can click on this website showing DRG Job Placement Manpower Consultant Hyderabad. Click on this link. After clicking on link, you are in our website page. So now you can see all these job openings. These are the job openings, and while going down you can see our services and all the details. Fine. Here is the contact details for the companies, and here is the option where you can call us by clicking call button. Here is the WhatsApp message link where job seekers can directly send the WhatsApp. Okay, so now you can click find a job, where you can see all the job openings in a single page. Our job openings are constantly being updated every time. Now you can click any of the job and check the job description, experience, salary, location and all the details. Suppose if I am clicking this retail sales specialist. Now you can see the job description like location, experience, salary, qualification and job summary. Now if you are going to apply, you can simply click on apply button where you can see the mail ID. You can directly click on this mail ID and you can apply, or either you can directly call us. Any of these way? Okay. So now we are going to home page. Here while scrolling down, you can see connect with us, this 3 option where you can click any of these 3 channels. So this is our WhatsApp channel link. If you connecting from here, you can get the job openings fastly and accordingly you can apply. This is our YouTube channel and this is our Instagram channel. Click on any of that and then you can go inside. See, I'm just clicking on WhatsApp channel. See, this is our place where you can see our channel details and followers where you can connect and get our job openings instantly. Come back and go to our YouTube channel. Alright guys, this is our YouTube channel and you can see our channel name DRG Free Job Alert. Here on our YouTube channel, you can see all the videos. We don't have many more videos here, but now we have started uploading videos. So you will get the updated videos here. Alright. You can click it here on the top channel description, click it on the more details, where you can see our channel description go down. You can see this is their YouTube channel link. This is Google Live Sheet, where you can see all the job openings in one single sheet. This is very important. This is our Instagram. This is your WhatsApp channel link. So here you can check and explore all the important links. Okay. So now click it on Spreadsheet, Google Spreadsheet, where you can see all the openings in a single place. So see, these are all the openings. We have 77 openings now. Total 77 openings open now as of now to apply. Here you can see all the details. Like you can see here requirements details, location, qualification, experience, salary details and required skills. So you can see now all the details, and apart from this 77, we have some more openings. See, we have some more openings. It is now confirmed, so see, these are the openings. Is it going to update soon? 17 more openings is going to update. Alright. Alright guys, so these are the openings currently we have. In addition, we have some other openings that have not yet been confirmed. Our team will update you in sheet and website. As I told you, I will share you some important tips. Number 1. Don't depend to any placement consultancy. And if somebody asking for money for registration or placement fees, don't give any amount. 2. There are no jobs available through the back door, If someone telling you then there's a 90% chance that it's a fake job and you're falling into a trap. 3. Remember 100% job guarantee claims, job in 2 days, guaranteed placement, and if anyone giving offer letter first before interview, these are the fake peoples. 4. Check Google Map reviews and ratings, office address. If no office photos and reviews, then don't believe. Don't believe on just dial reviews and rating. 5. Common fake jobs are data entry jobs, part-time typing jobs, online work from home with high income and overseas jobs, Dubai jobs without any visa process. In our next video, I will explain you how to apply jobs with maximum chances of placement. Thank you for watching. Thank you.